Hey Skip, we've got your '94 F-150 computer done. It's the fun one, and here's the final repair on it. Looks nice. The dark green coating is a replacement type of conformal coating that's UV light activated. It's not quite a exact match for the original coating, which in this one's kind of a pea green, but that actually varies depending on which computer you look at. So it's never going to be a perfect match anyway. But this is that green coating is basically a replacement for the original coating that was removed, repaired, and then finally replaced. So there's your three new capacitors, and there was some damage on that one. Those traces were, some of them were boogered up. A lot of little traces on that one. That was a bigger spill there. There was a little bit more damage width-wise there than on some of the others. And that one wasn't too bad. So, it's done. That's the work. Everything else looked pretty good on it. And here's the final bench test. So we got our 5 volts. We got, this is a power, check engine light, and fuel pump. Fuel pump should run for 1 second whenever we turn the key on. Boom. And it does. It's got 5 volts on the 5-volt regulator. That's perfect. Check engine light comes on like it should. Go into code pulling mode or self-test mode, whatever you want to call it. And here comes the trouble codes. This tester is not the end-all be-all test for a computer. It's just basic. But basically, it's doing everything we expect it to do. So we're not seeing anything go wrong there. And that's it. I think we're going to have a very effective repair here on the fun one. Okay, see you soon.